just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another mess? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. But different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful, different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Leave me alone.
Oh, sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping.
What do you want? Want? Well, go on. You might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Oh, no, 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 no. Whoa. Slow down there. Have a chat with yourself, Feathers. If we're talking ugly, look at me. Who am I to call you ugly? They don't come more aesthetically challenged than me. You know what your trouble is.
What?
You've got down in the mouth. Down in. Oh, come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left alone.
I know how you feel. But you can't let it depress you. I started off as a blob of jelly and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself,